Thank you, Mr. Unnikrishnan. Respected Chairman and Managing Director of Instrumentation Limited, Principal of IL Nursery School, Shrimati Madar Vashisht, Head of the Departments, Union Representatives of Instrumentation Employees Union, Workers Union and Employees Sangh, all employees and their family members, teachers, parents and dear children. I welcome you all to the 78th Independence Day celebrations at our company. I want to take a moment to express my deepest condolences and grief over the recent landslide victims in Wayanad. The devastation caused by this tragic event has led to a profound loss of life and property, and my heart goes out to families affected and to all those who are working endlessly and tirelessly in the rescue and relief operations which are still continuing. In this time of immense sorrow, let us stand together in solidarity and support of those who have lost their lives for 1 minute. Thank you. I feel honored and privileged to speak on this significant occasion when we celebrate 78th anniversary of our Indian independence, and also we are in the golden jubilee year of Instrumentation Limited, Palakkad. Today, as we reflect on our journey of our nation, it is also an opportune moment to draw inspiration from our past and consider how we can channel that spirit into our work here at IL. Our journey of independence was marked by relentless struggles, extraordinary sacrifices, and unwavering commitment to the cause of freedom. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and countless unsung heroes fought bravery and courage to secure the future of liberty and self-determination for us all. Their struggle was not just a fight against colonial rule, it was profound assertion of our right to shape our own destiny. Their vision and perseverance remind us that freedom is not just an idea, but it is a way of life, breathing reality that requires ongoing efforts and dedication. Sir, as we celebrate this historic day, I would like to mention that we, the employees of Instrumentation Limited, always take inspiration from the values of our freedom struggle and apply them in our day-to-day work also. I will cite few instances. One is commitment to excellence. Just as our freedom fighters were committed to their cause, we are dedicated to excellence in our work. Every order, every task and every challenge we undertake, we approach it with the same passion and dedication that characterized our freedom struggle. We strive for higher standards in our work, ensuring that we contribute to the success and growth of our organization with utmost integrity and diligence. Hallmark is unity and teamwork. The success of freedom struggle was rooted in unity and collaboration. Similarly, in our professional environment at IL, we display teamwork and mutual support as our unique work style and culture and achieve success. Let us continue to work together, leveraging each other's strengths and skills to achieve our collective goals. Innovation and resilience. Our leaders were resilient and adaptive in face of adversity. In today's dynamic business environment, we embrace this innovation and are resilient in our struggles. Team IL is always open to new ideas, continuously seeking ways to improve the process and adopt the evolving needs of industry and customers. Our ability to innovate and persevere are few of the reasons for our little bit success, whatever we have achieved. We work with responsibility and integrity. The freedom struggle was also about upholding the values of justice, integrity, and responsibility. In our work, sir, under your dynamic leadership and chairmanship, we maintain the highest ethical standards and take responsibility for our actions. At all levels, we are honest, transparent, and accountable in all our dealings with all our stakeholders, ensuring that we build trust and credibility within and outside our Instrumentation Limited. We empower and grow together, sir. The journey to freedom was also a journey of empowerment and self-determination. As we move forward, our focus is on empowering ourselves and our team members to grow and develop. We invest in continuous learning and professional development and support each other in achieving our potential. A thriving and motivated workforce is key to our collective success, and each and every of these 554 employees who are working in Instrumentation Limited are part of our motivated workforce. Sir, we embrace the future with hope and determination. As we celebrate the 78th Independence Day, we renew our commitment to these principles of determination and having hope in the future. The ideals of freedom, justice, and perseverance that guided our ancestors are continuing to guide us, inspire us as we navigate the challenges and opportunities that are ahead. Sir, we assure you that we will continue to honor the legacy of freedom of our freedom fighters by embracing their values of excellence, unity, innovation, integrity, and empowerment, and continue to translate them into our day-to-day work. Sir, this year, Instrumentation Limited Palakkad is celebrating its Golden Jubilee. We started in 1974, and the hard-working and dedicated employees of the company, right from 1974, the past employees, present employees, they have all nurtured the company for 50 years and have brought it to this level. This 50-year journey has had many ups and downs, good and not so good times, struggle and success. But on the whole, this company has been able to maintain the confidence of the customers on IL, has been able to display and serve the society with its values. This long, arduous and exciting journey was possible only due to the support of employee families, able leadership and guidance from past senior officers, chairmen, unit heads, board members, ministry officials, customers, vendor partners, local and state authorities, banks, employee representatives, unions, and above all, the Almighty God. All of us have a lot of expectations on this occasion of Golden Jubilee, and management is aware of that. As in our personal lives, where we always struggle to match the expectations of our members with resources, we have the same struggle in our company as well. But we assure that the company will do its best to meet the expectations of employees as we have always been doing it. I would like to thank CMD sir for his hand-holding me personally and all head of the departments in guiding the company to higher levels of performance. Sir, many of you will not know, CMD sir is working with lightning speed, and we are learning lot of new ideas from sir. As a result of support of all the three unions, collective hard work of our employees, leadership shown by functional HODs at the ground level and guidance of Chairman Sir, the performance of the company for first 4 months, April to July, in the financial year 24-25 has been satisfactory. Our order booking is 36% more than the target for 4 months and is 50% more than that of last year, same period. Our turnover is 38% more than target of 4 months and 49% more than previous year. Our production is 40% more than target and 67% more than last year. There has been challenges in payment collection because of various issues and change of processing of bills by customers, especially in GEM orders. However, we could achieve the payment collection of 76% of the target, and which is equal to last year's payment collection in the same period. The operational profit is 86% of the target, and the net profit is 84% of the target and 90% more than last year. The cash flow continues to be positive, and company continues to finance its expenses from the collection without utilizing the cash credit limit and overdraw limit from the bank. All MSME and statutory payments are made in time. Sir, although it is little premature, but I and my team are unable to hide the excitement to share the news that the approval from Petroleum Development Organization Oman, PDO Oman, is expected very soon. Sir, we were already approved for general service valves in PDO Oman long back, but not for severe service and anti-surge applications, where the main business profitability turnover lies actually, and less competition. Sir, we embarked upon this journey to get approval from PDO almost two years back, and we had invited two consultants who had earlier worked in PDO to guide us to fill the gaps between expectations and our actual position, Mr. Atul and Mr. Stephen. And then we had some 20 weekly meetings with all HODs, functional HODs and all officers. And then every meeting was recorded, circulated, and next target date was met, was fixed up. And sir, it required change in everything, in our work culture, documentation, in the lookout of the company, safety protocols, health and safety standards, everything was to be changed. It's just like renovating a house. We could do it to the best of our ability, and after all these things, PDO finally came on 10th June 2024. They were here for 4 days and ably supported by our dealer, Tex Oman. They also came. In fact, the MD of Tex Oman also came. And the support was beyond explanation by our Tex dealer. Then they had visited, they had given, there was no non-conformity. They had given the observations, we have submitted, then re-observations, we submitted, again observations, we submitted. All the 3 rounds of submission of our replies to their observations are over, and we have been informed by our Tex dealer that by middle of next month, the formal approval is expected from PDO. However, PDO has directed their contractors to consider IL for severe and anti-surge application of services in their quotations, and they should take IL quotations also. So it gives an indication that we are on the way to get the approval for all types of services. Sir, I had been constantly briefing you, and also you have been informing me and guiding me on many aspects. And the beauty of Sir's guidance is, first he will make the atmosphere light, and then he will explain, and then after explanation he will make atmosphere further light, and the matters, serious matters are discussed over a very, very happy environment. Environment is never made serious by sir, and probably that is the reason why we all feel comfortable working with sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, this will have a drastic increase in the business of exports, huge flow of inquiries, and our commercial team is already feeling the heat because they are being asked to submit offers in a day's time or 2 days' time. They came to me 3 days back, sir, it is difficult to handle, and delivery requirements are 8 weeks, just 2 months. Definitely, it's all going to be challenge, great challenge. Okay, we'll learn from it, we'll do it. And this will further open the doors for other business opportunities in GCC countries, where our officers have visited 3 times, and their presence in the customers other than PDO have also affected in such a way that OQ has already put us in their approved vendor list. The IL is the only Indian company to get approved by OQ, and we are also after getting PDO approval, we will approach ADNOC, we will approach Saudi Aramco, because PDO approval is a gold standard in business to the oil sector in the Gulf countries. Sir, LD is one of the important condition of every purchase order nowadays, and private, even for spare orders also, customers are charging LD nowadays. So we have recently awarded our achievers who have been able to get back the LD. We have, sir, we are an engineering industry. We have challenges. We are making customized products. We have MSME vendors where they have working capital problems, skilled labor problems, and our 100% input of raw material is from MSMEs. 65% input is from all MSME vendors. So we are working in a challenging environment. One side the deliveries are reducing, and other side LD every order has got, and our vendors are small time business people. So we have to manage all. So we are improvising our follow-ups, our internal meetings, awareness of LD orders where LD can be avoided. All these things are being done in such a way that we do not disrupt our normal working, and at the same time we are able to avoid maximum LD. We assure you that the incidence of LD in this current financial year will be lesser than the last financial year, will reduce by 20%. Sir, the annual accounts of the Palakkad unit were cleared by our statutory auditor, Mr. Nathan and Company, yesterday night at around 8:30, and it is without any qualification comments. Without any comments, they have not mentioned anything adverse in our entire accounting principles and systems of the entire year. In fact, they were full of praise also for many things, and they have changed many aspects of our balance sheet, notings, subnotes, so that the statutory auditor of the company, when he reads that, he can clear it in 3 days' time. So on this occasion, I thank our statutory auditor, Mr. Vishwanathan of Nathan and Company, for their entire great help he has done. He has taken time, but they have done excellent work. The support from our headquarters at Jaipur is excellent, and I appreciate the school, which is integral part of our company, the teachers in the school, the principal madam. The school enjoys a very good reputation in the society and has created a goodness for ILP. Management continues to extend full support to the running of the school, and in this time of high mental and physical pressures, tensions, stress, Let us take care of our health and well-being by moderating the food consumption, by exercising 30 minutes anytime during the day to build up stamina, to drive slowly and safely without any haste on the road, and behave like a responsible citizens in public life, with a special request to younger generation not to involve in any activities or behavior in public life that can bring down the reputation of company or the family or their family members. Sir, Onam is the biggest festival of Kerala and is approaching in next 4 weeks. So I, along with my family members, wish all those who are present here and employees of Instrumentation Limited, our stakeholders, a very happy advance Onam wishes. Thank you. Jai Hind.